Good afternoon, student. Today we will learn about the gastric digestion. In last video we learn about the salivary digestion, salivary gland, regulation of the salivary gland, arrangement of the gastric anal canal and all. Today we will learn about the gastric digestion. The stomach contains three main type of gland: gastric gland, pyloric gland, cardiac gland. Gastric gland contains peptic, parietal and mucous neck cells. Pyloric gland secrete mucin and gastrin. Mucous gland secrete pepsinogen. Function of the gastric digestion is digestive function, reservoir function, act temporarily as reservoir of ingested food, mixing function. Stomach mix the bolus and gastric juice by its peristaltic movement. Then protective function. The HCl present in gastric juice destroyed many types of bacteria, viruses and microorganisms entering the body. These are the functions of the gastric digestion. Reservoir function means it act temporarily, वो फूड को वहाँ रखता है, reservoir of ingested food. Mixing function. Stomach mix the bolus and gastric juice by its peristaltic movement. And protective function. The HCl present in gastric juice destroyed many type of bacteria, microorganism entering into the body. Then regulation of the gastric digestion. Gastric secretion is regulated by two mechanisms, humoral and neural. Neural control of gastric secretion is mediated by vagus and sympathetic nerves. Stimulation of vagus help in increased secretion of parietal, peptic and mucus secreting cells. The stimulation of vagus is followed by secretion of acid, pepsin and mucus. Humoral mechanism, it is principally due to the release of a hormone which on absorption may either stimulate or inhibit the activity of the gastric gland. Three phases, cephalic, gastric and intestinal phase. About 2/3 of gastric secretion occur during this phase. Just like salivary gland, here also hormonal and neural control is there. Neural control of vagus and sympathetic nerve and humoral control is because of the hormone. Then pancreatic digestion and regulation. During pancreatic digestion, pancreas makes pancreatic juices called enzyme. These enzymes break down sugar, fat and starches. Functions. Pancreas help digestive system by making hormones. These are the chemical messengers that travel through the blood. Pancreas secrete insulin. It secrete in bloodstream and control sugar level. Note down here. Pancreas secrete insulin and it secrete in bloodstream and control sugar level. And pancreas also break down of the sugar, do function of breakdown of the sugar, fat and starches. Conversion of food into fuel for body cells. Exocrine function help in digestion. Endocrine function help in blood sugar level. Then regulation of pancreatic digestion. Nervous and humoral mechanism is very important. Pancreas controlled by both autonomic nervous system and endocrine system. Sympathetic and parasympathetic division help in digestion. Sympathetic stimulate the glucagon and then glucose is released. Parasympathetic stimulated during restful condition and stimulate insulin and pancreatic juices. Note down here, parasympathetic stimulated during restful conditions and stimulate insulin and pancreatic juices. Then humoral system produces two types of hormones. Secretin produces and secrete pancreatic juice and balance pH 7. Then CCK means cholecystokinin also secrete pancreatic juice. This is all about the pancreatic digestion, its function and regulation. Then intestinal digestion. The small intestine where most chemical digestion takes place. Most of the digestive enzyme in the small intestine are secreted by the pancreas and enter the small intestine via pancreatic duct. The three major classes of nutrient that undergo digestion are protein, lipid and carbohydrate. We learn about the nutrient in nutrition lecture. There are three types of main nutrient: protein, lipid and carbohydrate. Lipid means fat. Function of the intestinal digestion. Main function of small intestine to absorption of nutrients and minerals from food. 90% digestion takes place in small intestine. Large intestine functions absorbing water and electrolyte and producing and absorbing vitamins and forming and propelling feces towards the rectum for elimination. Then regulation. Hormones control different digestive enzymes that are secreted in the stomach and the intestine. And absorption, for the example, the hormone gastrin stimulate acid secretion in response to food intake. The hormone somatostatin stop the release of stomach acid. Whenever it necessary it secrete, and whenever it is not necessary it inhibit the secretion. It is the this regulated by the hormone in intestinal digestion. And what is the function of small intestine? It absorbs 90% of nutrient from the food in small intestine, and in large intestine remaining 10% of the absorption of the food takes place. Means remaining 10% means water, electrolyte, minerals, vitamins are absorbed in the large intestine. This is the main function of the intestinal digestion: absorption of food and nutrient, minerals, water. So we here completed our digestion, intestinal digestion, gastric digestion, pancreatic digestion, salivary digestion. In next lecture we will learn about the vomiting, defecation, and all about remaining digestion topics. So thank you.